Today, we will master boiling potatoes so perfectly that you can actually enjoy them plain, or maybe with a tiny bit of butter, because everything is better with butter, right? I will be making plain potatoes, and therefore I'm using the waxy potato. Those are low in starch and are perfect for pan-fried potatoes, boiled potatoes, and potato salad. If your potatoes are dirty, give them a quick wash. No need to cook extra soil for flavor. If you want to serve whole, plain potatoes, peel them before boiling. That way they actually absorb the salt from the water. You deserve the flavor. But if you are a rebel who wants to peel after the cooking, I've got a trick for you involving the funkiest German kitchen tool that nobody seems to understand, but that's covered in that video. For peeling, I'm using vegetable peeler to remove the skin and any eyes. You can use a knife too if you don't have one of those. If you don't have equal sized potatoes, cut them into equal sized cubes. And here's another tip. Set them aside into a pot of cold water until you're ready to cook them. Before boiling, change the water. A quick rinse removes excess starch, which keeps the potatoes from turning into a mushy potato glue. Potatoes start cooking in cold water. They are not pasta, they've got their own personality and rules. Now add just enough water to cover the potatoes. Remember that the plant needs saving. I'm boiling these in the normal pot. You can also use a pressure cooker if you like to, but just keep in mind that because of the pressure, the potatoes often break. Potatoes always need salt. Per 1 kilo of potatoes, use 1 to 2 teaspoons. Let's cover the pot and bring it to a boil. Now stay near the stove unless you enjoy clean water off the kitchen surface. Once boiling, lower the temperature so the water doesn't boil over. Let them simmer with the lid on. According to my husband, cooking them uncovered is just burning the money. The whole potatoes need at least 20 minutes to cook. And while they bubble away, tell me in the comments, how do you like serving your boiled potatoes? Germans got a specific rules when serving potato side dishes. I'm curious if yours match. Check for doneness while using metal skewer or a knife. If the skewer slides in easily, they're ready. Like this one, done. This one, not yet. Give it another 3 to 5 minutes. I don't recommend using a fork because fork might break the potato. And we are going for perfection, right? Once done, drain the potatoes. I'm using this strainer, but you can also use a pot lid or a colander. And here's another tip. Let the steam go away. You want the potatoes to be on the drier side. When they're still hot, add a bit of butter and gently stir. Look at this shine, beauty in potato form. Finish with freshly chopped parsley. Germans love these with saucy dishes, like for example cucumber stew. It's the whole thing. For everyone who isn't done with the German potatoes yet, check out this playlist where we dive even deeper into the German potato world.